When you first tap the app to launch the mobile offering, you'll recognize local merchants right around you. You'll see here there are some big box retailers along with local merchants that include everything from restaurants and clothing stores to oil changes and hair salons. Now, let's say you're planning a party for a friend. A bakery is a great place to start. So, let's check out the International Bake Shop. You can do so by clicking the merchant name. The first thing you'll see is their current deal, 10% off a pre-made cake. Also take note that right from this screen you can call the merchant, map the merchant, visit their website, or you can click right here to favorite them, making it easier to find later on from the favorites icon on the bottom toolbar. But let's get back to the discount. To get this deal, simply tap the discount box to open it up. The full coupon is now displayed. Tap Redeem at the bottom for further instructions. Whether you're given a code to show the merchants or just instructed to show the coupon on your screen, it's always this easy to save money. Once you've shown the coupon to the merchant, tap Close in the upper left-hand corner. You'll see the first option you have now is to enter in how much you just saved. How great is that? Bizzing not only saves you money, it also allows you to keep track of those savings. Simply enter in how much you saved, which for me was just $9 at the International Bakery. And then tap Apply. You'll see that you're now back to the Deals section of the app. And from here, we're going to check out the savings calculator by tapping on the second icon on the lower toolbar. Savings. Remember that $9 we just saved? Here it's stored along with a running total of all the other dollars the app has helped me save. Pretty cool, huh? Heading on a trip soon? You can find out what offers are available anywhere in the country. Simply tap the magnifying glass in the upper right-hand corner to open up your search options. Tap Current Location to search by zip code or city and state to see where you can save on your next vacation. Let's take a quick look at your Bizzing website, starting at www.bizzing.com. Signing in is simple. Just use your email address you activated with and your non-case sensitive password. When you first get signed in, you'll see the featured weekly deal right here at the top. To find a deal in a specific area, scroll down to search by zip code or city and state. Here you'll find all kinds of deals, just like on the app. The only difference is you print these out. Back at the top of the screen, you'll find a helpful toolbar to assist with navigating the site. Want to search for hotel discounts for your next trip? Or save on booking a rental car? You can do all of that right here. If you'd like to print out your health savings card so you're ready to start saving big at the pharmacy, you can do that right here from the Pharmacy Savings section. If you head back up to the toolbar and select More, you'll see there's also a Refer a Merchant tab, so you can add your own favorite local merchants right from your computer.